Good morning. Pretty views around here. We are in Grand Junction, Colorado, working on number 4 of 4 in a row Airstreams. Had our full dose of Airstreams lately. This is a 28 RB International Signature, and it is built in 19s, and this specific model was designed by Christopher Deem. It's a signature series right there. So this install is going to have 6 100 watt Renogy Eclipse panels, 6 100 amp Battleborn batteries, a 3000 watt inverter, a 150/85 MPPT. He does have a suitcase, an additional 200 watts of panels that will set him up to be able to plug in from his front battery compartment, because we're going to empty all this out. We also have a 712, 2 easy starts, and I think that's about it. Let me look at the pile of equipment here. Yep, easy starts, curved brackets, Renogy kit. Yep. So for this, we're going to go down here and put in the inverter down in here in this area. 6 batteries will go along the edge under there. Pete is moving in. It's going to be his new bedroom. And then we'll reorient some of the stuff around in here. Probably going to move their DC box, which is right there, to over on this side. So have to kind of look at things and get stuff figured out. But that is where we are at. And we've already gotten started. So today is day 1. We may even be done with this one end of day tomorrow. Worst case scenario, a little bit left on the following day. Having done 4 in a row, we've gotten pretty good at getting things put in the Airstreams pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and get it started. Okay, I hope the wind isn't too bad. I just want to give an update. I've already got both panels removed. I'm literally sitting where one of them was. The other one was over there. This is where the factory wiring comes up. And the wire that was stubbed out in this, okay, so the bottom of this is crimped on both sides, but the wire going into the connector, I cut them off because I was gonna try and gain a little extra wire, but no luck. So the bottom of this is crimped on this barrel crimp connector, and the wires literally just pulled out with no real force at all. It did have these protective covers on there in case you were wondering, so I cut those off. But yeah, no crimps on there whatsoever. So, and then Pete was telling me that he's down in the box down below. He was telling me that after the little solar charge controller, the wire coming out of it providing DC to the battery to keep everything charged, it was just finger tight on the little breaker inside that DC box, like just barely even connected. Like he literally didn't even have to use a screwdriver. He just twisted it off and removed it. So I mean, if a manufacturer's going to offer solar, at least make it work, you know. This example is on an Airstream, but all manufacturers that we've done are guilty of it. A lot of people complain that they get their solar and it doesn't even work. Case in point, that guy right there had a 330 watt panel on his Solitude that he just got 2 months ago, and it didn't work. And couldn't even make it work. So we were going to upfit it anyhow, and he didn't order anything, it just came with it, but it just didn't work. So if you're going to offer it as an option, have quality checks and make sure it works. So, and just having voltage doesn't mean it works. You need to turn something on, you need to make sure that you see current going through it, because this would have showed voltage but no current. And that's the reason this customer reached out to us, is because they weren't able to recharge their batteries from solar. That's why. So anyhow, I'm going to keep plugging away at it, get these 6 panels installed, and then
Be sure to check out the Rhea family on Instagram at our_Rhea Life to follow along with their adventures, their daughter Juliet, and the upcoming birth of their son.